Hello everyone. This video is going to show you how to check your record for all books, materials, and charges that you may have. It is important to remember that if you borrowed a library book from the upper level, then you will need to check in with the public library to see what you need to return to them and if you accrued any fines. In regards to your school books and materials, click on the link sent to you via email or go to library.cjuhsd.net. You will see that all of the schools in our district are listed here. Select Colony High School. And in the top right-hand corner, click on Log In. Where it says username, you are going to enter your long ID. And in the password section, you are going to enter your short ID followed by a capital P, lowercase w, lowercase d. And then we're going to click on Log In. In the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on My Info, and this is going to bring up a page of all of the materials that have been checked out to you this school year and that you're responsible for and we want returned by the end of the year. Anything listed here underneath fines are books that are long overdue or damaged. If it's an overdue book, we still encourage you to return it by the end of the school year, and this fine would go away. If you have any questions about any of the items listed or any fine that's been included, contact us at colony.library@cjuhsd.net, or you can call the school at 909-930-2929 and ask for the textbook room.